Hi cuties, how are you all? Hope so doing good. Okay, today in this class we are going to see the part 2 of the lesson which we learned last week. Do you remember that? The 7 seeds. Yes, this comes in the page number 67, 68 of your book. Come, we can have a recall of what we learned last week. Just take your book and I'll be reading. Just grasp the story. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Anemalai. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of the king's rule. He was respected and revered by all. It has been 30 years under his rule. One day, the aging king woke up worried. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. To find the child, he held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. For how many months the competition was going on? For 6 months. He decided to adopt a child as the heir, but he knew that the adopted child must be honest. At the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls made it to the very last round. There seemed little to separate them. Each one of them was intelligent, strong, and capable. The king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. As you all know, the winner will be the heir to my throne. He continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture, so the new leader must know how to grow plants. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. Take them home, plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. That person will be the heir to the throne. The children took their seeds and hurried home. They all got a pot, prepared some soil and sowed their seeds. The entire kingdom was excited. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. One of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. Annie did not know what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken. She had selected the soil with care, put the right manure, and even dutifully watered it. Some of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. After all, they said, how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? Do you remember till here? So, in the last class, I told you to think what would Annie would have done. Shall we see that? Okay, now part 2 to be continued. What did they say? They told Annie to get the new seeds and plant. Now let us see what did Annie do here. Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. Annie's parent taught her to be honesty always. என்ன ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் இருந்தாலும் ஹானஸ்டியா பிஹேவ் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு Annie's parents taught her. They reminded her that if the king wanted them to plant just any wheat, he would have asked them to get their seed. So Annie's friends told her to get the new seeds, but what did Annie's parents told her? They taught her always to be honesty, and also they asked her, you see Annie, if the king wanted to plant any kind of seeds, then he would have asked you to go to the shop and get any kind of seed and plant. Then why the king should have given you the seed? So there should be something in that. So that is not honest to change the seeds. If you use anything different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. What did Annie's parents tell? If you use anything different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. That would be dishonest to the king. Maybe you are not destined for the throne. Maybe you are not destined for the throne. If so, let it be. But it would be wrong to cheat the king, they told her. Annie agreed. What did Annie's parents tell her? You see, by getting the new seat, it will be a dishonest for the king. And suppose you think you are not destined for the throne. நீ வந்து அந்த பதவிக்கு விதிக்கப்படவில்லையோ என்னவோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. If so, let it be. Don't worry about that. Let it be as it go on. Don't cheat the king. Then that will be wrong. So they told that, and Annie also agreed for it. It had been 6 weeks now. இப்போ வந்து 6 weeks முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. The much awaited day had come. The children returned to the palace, each of them proudly carrying a pot of healthy seedlings. So 6 weeks முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Also all the 10 children, they were carrying a pot which had grown well. See the picture? Potல செடி நல்ல அழகா பெருசா வளர்ந்திருக்கு. அந்த 9 children உடைய potலயும் the plant has grown. Proudly they were carrying to the palace all the healthy seedlings. Here there is a word for you, beaming. What is the meaning of the word beaming? Look at smiling. So what did the king do? When the children entered the palace, the king also having a bright smile in his face, and he was looking at the pot. Listen to the lesson. It was obvious that the other 9 had great success with their seeds. The king arrived. He was beaming, looking at the children and their pot of healthy seedlings. So it was very obvious, very clear. It was very clear that all the 9 had great success in growing their seeds. All other 9 children except Annie, they all grown their seeds very well. The king arrived to the palace. What did the king do then? He was beaming, smiling, looking at the children and their pot of healthy seedlings. See, there is a pot of healthy seedlings grown well. நல்ல பச்சை பசேல்னு வளர்ந்திருக்கு. 9 potsம் நல்லா அழகா வளர்ந்திருக்கு plants எல்லாம். He began walking along the line of pots the children had kept. He asked each of them, "Is this what grew from the seeds I gave you?" You listen to this question carefully. Is this what grew from the seeds I gave you? So King Palace enter ஆனோனே என்ன பண்ணாரு? He was beaming, looking at the healthy seedlings. அந்த வளர்ந்த செடிகளை எல்லாம் கிங் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்மைல், ஒரு நக்கலான ஒரு சிரிப்புன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம், ஸ்மைல் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த குழந்தைங்களோட ஃபிளவர் பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்க்குறாரு. செடிகள்லாம் எவ்வளோ அழகாக வளர்ந்துருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Then he began walking along the line of pots. லைனா அடுக்கி வச்சிருக்காங்க. அந்த 9 potsையும் சில்ட்ரன் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? அழகா ஒன்னு ஒன்னா அப்படி 9 அடுக்கி வச்சிருக்காங்க. So the king began to walk along the line of pots. And the children had kept very neatly there. He asked each one of them. ஒவ்வொரு குழந்தையும் பார்த்து what did the king ask? Is this what grew from the seeds I gave you? நான் கொடுத்த விதைகள்ல இருந்து வளர்க்கப்பட்ட செடிகளா இது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அந்த கிங் ஒவ்வொரு குழந்தைங்களும் பார்த்து கேட்கிறார். So the answer given by the children are, "Yes, your majesty," and the king would nod and move down the line. So when the king asked for each children, "Is this the plant grown by the seeds which I gave you?" the children gave the answer like, "Yes, your majesty." All the children gave the same answer like, "Yes, your majesty." So by hearing that, the king just nodded and moved on to the line. The king finally got to the last one. Who was in the last? That is our Annie. The king finally got to the last one, Annie. The girl was shaking. Annie was shaking like shivering. So கிடுகிடுன்னு நடுங்கிட்டு இருக்கா. Why? Because அவளுடைய பாட்ல மட்டும் செடியே வளரல. Yes. See, listen. The girl was shaking. She feared that the king might have thrown her into prison for wasting his precious seeds. Precious, vilai madipatra, precious, okay. Annie was shaking. She was very feared that the king might throw her into the prison for wasting the precious seeds. So the Annie was thinking, நம்ம வந்து the precious seeds what the king gave வந்து waste பண்ணிட்டோம் போல. So the king might throw her into the prison jail, சிறை. So that was the thought going on in Annie's mind. Listen to that once again. The king finally got to the last one, that is Annie. The girl was shaking. Annie was shaking like anything. She feared. Why did she fear? Because the plants didn't grow in a pot. She feared that the king might have thrown her into prison for wasting his precious seeds. So the king would have thrown her into the prison. இப்படி நம்மள வந்து ஜெயில போட்டு போறாரோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஆனி வந்து ரொம்ப பயப்படுறா. Because of wasting his precious seeds. ரொம்ப விலை மதிப்பற்ற விதைகளை நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அதை நம்ம வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டோமோ அப்படின்னு கிங் வந்து நம்மள சிறையில போட்டுருவாங்க அப்படின்னு Annie was feared and she was shaking, shivering like anything. By seeing Annie's pot, the king asked, "What did you do with the seeds I gave you?" The king asked, "What did you do with the seeds I gave you?" மற்ற எல்லா குழந்தைங்களுடைய பாட்லயும் அழகா செடி வளர்ந்துருக்கு, பட் ஆனிஸ் பாட்ல மட்டும் செடி வளரல. So the king asked in a higher note, "What did you do with the seeds I gave you?" நான் கொடுத்த விதைகளை நீ என்ன பண்ணுன அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கிங் வந்து ஆனியை பார்த்து கேட்கிறார். So already Annie was shivering and also she was very feared that the king might have thrown her into the prison. So keeping all this in mind, but she answered king, "Your Majesty, I planted them and cared for them every day. I'm sorry, but they failed to sprout." Annie said. She hung her head in shame. So king வந்து Annie கிட்ட, "What did you do with the seeds which I gave you?" அப்படின்னு கேட்ட உடனே she was shivering and she was feared too. So in a low tone she answered to the Majesty like, "Your Majesty, I planted them and cared for them every day." நான் அதை விதைச்சு டெய்லி அதை நல்லா கேர் பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். I'm sorry, but they failed to sprout. நான் இவ்வளோ கேர்ஃபுல்லாக அதை பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம், அந்த செடி வந்து வளரல, ஸ்ப்ரவுட் முளைக்கவில்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. And she hung her head in shame. ஸோ வெக்கப்பட்டு நம்ம ஏதோ தப்பு பண்ணிட்டோம், நம்ம இதை வளர்க்கலையே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வெக்கப்பட்டு அவ என்ன பண்ணா, தலை குமிஞ்சு கிங்குக்கு வந்து பதில் சொன்னான். The crowd was shouting like anything. The crowd jeered. Jeered means shouting. கசமுசன்ட்டு அந்த மக்கள் எல்லாம் நின்றுட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, they shouted. இப்படி இந்த ஆனி வந்து இந்த சீட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டாலே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி they were boo, jeered the crowd. அச்சோ எப்படி பண்ணிட்டாங்களே அப்படி சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, the same thing in English. Boo, jeered the crowd, jeered, shouted. Okay. You can see in that picture also the crowd or people of crowds, they are shouting like anything. But the king raised his hands and signaled for silence. Then he said, "Dear people, behold my heir, the next leader of our kingdom." ஆனி வந்து ரொம்ப ஷேமா தலை குமிஞ்சு இந்த மாதிரி நான் இவ்வளோ கேர் பண்ணி செடியை வளர்த்தேன், பட் த பிளான்ட் டிடன்ட் ஸ்ப்ரவுட், யோர் மெஜஸ்டி அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே all the people those are in the crowd, they jeered. But what did the king do? For a surprise, the king raised his hands and signaled for silence. The crowd எல்லாம் ஷவுட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க இல்லையா, so the king raised his hands and showed like this for silence. Then he said, "Dear people, behold my heir, Dear people, என்னுடைய அடுத்த வாரிசை நீங்க பிடிச்சுக்கோங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஆனிய பார்த்து கை காமிச்சு சொன்னாரு. The next leader of a kingdom. The next leader of a kingdom. So it was a very surprise for the crowd too, and also for Annie and her parents. What did king do now? The king raised his hands and signaled for silence. Then he said, Dear people, behold my heir, the next leader of our kingdom. The people were very confused. Yes, of course. எல்லாருமே were very confused. Why? Because செடி நல்லா வளர்த்தவங்கள தான் ஏதோ ஒரு குழந்தைய செலக்ட் பண்ணி அவருடைய வாரிசுன்னு செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாருன்னு பார்த்தா செடியே வளர்க்காத ஆனிய வந்து the majesty has selected for her for his throne. How? The people were very confused. Why that girl? How can she be the right choice? The people in the crowd, they were very confused. And why that girl? How can she be the right choice? That Annie didn't grow her plans, then how can be she the right heir for the throne? The people were very confused. But the king took his place on his throne with Annie by his side and said, Throne, what is the meaning of throne? That is the chair seated by the king. You can see in that picture. The king took his place on his throne with Annie by his side. Annieயும் பக்கத்துல கூட்டிட்டு he went to his place and said, I gave, here is the secret reveals. Listen carefully. I gave each of them 7 seats. So sitting in his throne, king is telling, listen carefully, I gave each of them 7 seeds. This taste was not for growing wheat. This taste was not for growing wheat, but it was the test for the honesty. It was a test of character. A test of honesty. If a leader must have one quality, it must be that he or she should be honest. So, what did king tell? That is, the king took his place on his throne with Annie by his side and he said, I gave each of them 7 seeds, right? Yes, I gave each of them 7 seeds. This test was not for growing wheat. இந்த டெஸ்ட் வந்து யாரு வீட்டை நல்லா க்ரோ பண்றாங்கன்றதுக்கு இல்ல, பட் எதுக்கு? It was a test of a character, a test of honesty. ஒருத்தருடைய கேரக்டரையும் அவங்களுடைய ஹானஸ்டியும் டெஸ்ட் பண்றதுக்காக தான் I gave the 7 seeds. Okay. If a leader must have one best quality, ஒரு லீடருக்கு ஒரு பெஸ்ட் குவாலிட்டி இருக்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா that should be the honest. So what did the king say? If a leader must have one quality, it should be that he or she should be honest. People should be able to trust the leader. People should be able to trust the leader. Only this girl passed the test. Only this girl passed the test. ஒரு அரசருக்கு தேவையான முக்கியமான குவாலிட்டி என்னன்னா that is honest. அதுவும் இல்லாம people should be able to trust the leader. ஒரு நம்பிக்கை வைக்கணும். அந்த அரசரா இருக்கும் போது ஒரு லீடரா இருக்கும் போது அவங்க மேல பீப்புளுக்கு ஒரு நம்பிக்கை வேணும். That is the best quality a king should have. Only this girl passed this test. Only this girl have passed this last test which I gave. King அப்ப என்ன பண்ணிருக்காருன்னா, listen carefully. I gave boiled seeds and boiled seeds cannot grow. Got it? What did the king have given the children? The king gave the boiled seeds. பாயில்ட் சீட்ஸ் எங்கேயாவது வளருமா? நோ சான்ஸ் அட் ஆல். பாயில்ட் சீட்ஸ் cannot grow. ஸோ அதனால தான் ஆனியோடைய பாட்ல செடி வளரவே இல்லை. ஸோ மற்றவங்க எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? வாட் டிட் தி அதர் 9 children had done? கொஞ்ச நாள், ஒரு வாரம் 2 வாரம் வளர்த்து பார்த்துருக்காங்க. அந்த சீட்ஸ் வளரல அப்படின்ற உடனே என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க? They had got new seeds, some other seeds from the shop, and they have planted and they have grown. But Annie didn't do any such kind of activity. Annie's parents also told her, okay, you obey the king, you be honest to the king, so you need not get any seeds from the market. So let it be அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னாங்க. ஆனியும் அதை அக்ரி பண்ணா. So this shows our honesty towards the king. This is the best quality a king should have. By hearing this, all were very happy. All were very happy, and Annie became the heir to the throne. So from this, what can we understand? Honesty is the best policy. Yes, எந்த ஒரு செயலா இருந்தாலும் you should be very truthful and very honest. Do you understand this lesson? Is this story very interesting? Okay. Now for this second part, there are some glossary words given for you. We can go through that. See here, nurture. You have came across this word nurture, that is care, protect and grow. Anxious. Anxious means eager, very eager. Destiny. Destiny means fate. Destiny means fate. Behold. Behold, see. Behold means see. Okay, now there are some. Choose the best answers for you. Try to give the answers. In real, this test is for. In real, this test is for. See the options given there. Testing honesty, growing wheat, growing paddy. The last test which was given by the king was for growing wheat or growing paddy or to test honesty. You should give the answer. Tell me the answer. In real, this last test was given for to testing honesty. Yes, you're right. Now here some 3 sentences are given for you. You have to arrange them in sequence. Arrange the sentence in sequence. Dear people, behold my hair. The competition had many levels. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. So in these 3 sentences, you have to arrange that in the sequence, which comes first and which comes second and which comes the third. Okay. Now here, which sentence will be in the first? Yes, you're right. The competition had many levels. Next one. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. And the final one is, dear people, behold my hair. Right. You all gave the correct answer. Clap hands for yourself. The last one is, you have to answer the following questions. 3 questions have been given for you. You have to give the answers. Try to answer me correctly. What did Annie's parents teach her? What did Annie's parents teach her? Annie's parents என்ன சொல்லி Annie வளர்த்திருக்காங்க? Yes, Annie's parents taught her to be honest in each and every activity. In each and every activity, Annie's parents taught her to be honest. You're right. Coming to the second question, why did the king choose Annie as his heir? Why did the king choose Annie as his heir? Why? Because only Annie was very honest. Honest is the best quality each leader should have. Yes, you are right. Coming to the last question. Do you think Annie will be a good leader? Do you think Annie will be a good leader? Why? Give me the answer. Will Annie be a good leader? Yes. Yes, of course. Annie will be a good leader. Why? Why? Because she was honest in her activity. She was very honest in her doings. That honesty is the best character quality a leader should have. Then only the people will have respect on her. Isn't it? So obviously it is very well understood that Annie will be a good leader because she is very honest in her doings. Next, final, last one project work for you is you have to write a situation or you have to write your own thinking that how will you be honest in that condition. If you were in the place, if you were in this 10 children place, what have you been done in that? You have to write it, or you can write a creative story of being honest. Honest towards your parents, honest towards your teachers, honesty towards your friends, anything like that. Write some 10 sentences of being honest towards all others. Will you do it for me? Okay, this story is also very interesting and you are also good children by hearing this. Now I think you all will be ready to be honest and also being at home. Be safe, help your parents, sit inside your home and study your lessons. As Annie in this lesson, you all should be very honest towards your activity and doing. Be a good children. Thank you all. Thank you all for listening my class. Thank you children.